Hi! Welcome back to House Toys. Today we are going to open this fruits and vegetable set. Orange, watermelon, mushroom, chilies, bell pepper, potatoes, chopping. Today we are going to learn names of fruits and vegetables. This is chili. This is mushroom. This is onion. This is potatoes. This is grapes. This is bananas. This is egg. This is squash. This is bell pepper. And this is orange. That's all for now. Please subscribe to my channel. Like this video.